Hello and welcome to 700 Broderick, 3-bedroom, 1 bath. There's the first bedroom. It is large. You can fit a king-size bed. There are wood floors throughout. Freshly painted here in the kitchen. The living room is large. You have nice top-down, bottom-up shades. Here is a nicely renovated full bath. The toilet is behind the door here. There's a shower. We're going to head on over to another large bedroom with beautiful refinished wood floors. This one also fits a king size bed and so much more. This is a smaller bedroom. You can fit a queen size bed in here, a good size closet and heater. Laundry room is over here to the left. Here is the living room, lots of sunlight. And the kitchen has been recently renovated. You have stainless appliances, gas stove, brand new Fisher-Paykel refrigerator. If you're interested in this unit, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thanks so much.